Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeByTushu, and today we are solving a hard LeetCode problem. Problem name is LeetCode 3753 total Waviness of numbers in range second. Now guys, if you watched my previous video on LeetCode 3751 total Waviness of number in range first, then you know that we simply checked every number in the range and calculate its Waviness, and that's approach very easy. So that's approach was strange forward, but now everything changed. So because the range can become extremely large, and suddenly our brute force solution becomes completely useless. We cannot iterate through every number, and we cannot check each digit one by one, and that's exactly why this problem is marked hard. So guys, today we are going to learn one of the most powerful concept in completed programming and coding interviews. So trust me guys, and many people get scared when they hear the terms digit DP. Okay, and but today I will explain step by step in the simplest possible way. By the end of this video, and you will understand this is the Waviness, why brute force fails, how range queries work, and solve R, solve L -1 trick, and digit DP status, and tight plug, and memorize leading zero handling, and complete Java solution, and full line by line explanation, and dry run, and complicity analysis. So grab your coffee and let's begin guys. First of all, problem understanding. Let's first understanding the problem as a which represent as a range, and we need to calculate then for every number between. So inclusive. Now what is Waviness? A digit is called a peak if current digit it greater than both of neighbors. For example, 1 to 1, and 2 is greater than 1 and 1. Therefore 2 is a peak, and similarly a digit is called a valley if current digit is smaller than both neighbors. For example, 2 1 2, 1 is smaller than both 2 and 2, therefore is 1 is valley, and Waviness is simply so guys. And why brute force fails? Now let's think about part 1. In part 1 is very simply did checked every number and easy. But suppose can we iterate? Absolutely not. Even the age of the universe would not be through. So brute force is dead, and we need something smarter. So most important observation guys, when a range problem becomes hug, there is a famous trick. Instead of calculating so directly, and we calculate, this is the one of the most important observation in the digit DP. As a solve x mean total Waviness from, and 0 from x. Once we can solve that, and the range answer becomes easy. And first of all, what is digit DP? Digit DP means like we build numbers digit by digit, and at every position we decide which digit should be placed here. And while building's number, and we keep track of important information, and in our case we need position, previous digit, and previous digit like current Waviness and tight flag. So these becomes our DP state. So understanding the state, like most important, our DFS storage, what does the mean? P of S, current digit position, and previous one, previous to, like previous one, previous digit, previous to digit before previous digit, and when is current, when is count, and tight, very important guys. If tight is equal to true, we cannot exact the original number. So if tight is equal to false, we can freely place, and this is the heart of digit DP. So why do we need previous one and previous two? Because we need left neither bore and middle digit and current digit. So that's why we store so together. And next is leading zero trick. Now here another challenge. Suppose we are building, those zero are not digit. Suppose number is 000123. We don't want them to create fake peaks and valleys as a special intel values mean. As a meaning is no real digit yet. This is the very common digit DP trick, guys. So guys, let's start Java complete walkthrough. So first line, like main solution class required by LeetCode. So and declaration public, then but in the next line is like private string nums, like store the current upper bound number as a string. So please enter the click, and class solution, the next line is, so guys, class solution is the next line is store the current upper bound number as a string, as a private string nums, and next line is private long memoize table storing count of valid stage. So next is memorize table storing total vanished sum, and main function that return the final answer, and return value, return as a range query trick, answer prefix r minus prefix l minus 1. So next is private long value as a calculate total vanish from 0 to x, and next line is condition if use the return value. So no positive numbers exist, answer is 0, guys, then return. Then next line is convert number into string for digit by digit processing, nums equal to string dot value of x, and next line is, guys, int and numbers dot length, like store total digits, and next is create DP catch for counting stage. So most important is, and next is create DP catch for vanish sums. So memo sums value equal to new long and array n plus 1. So next is initialization loops, fill memo tables with -1. This means not compute yet as a DFS call. So starting calls and starting buildings members from digit like, then and next line is guys so use the for loop. Next use the array k++, and next line is array fills by like memo count ijk -1 as a condition, and same value double times. So so next is return DFS is as a true value. So in this line complete as a return DFS 0 10 10 0 something, and next line is private long DFS as a pause previous one and previous two. Use the Waviness and boolean type. So use the int value and condition check. So private value use the as a use then next line is use the if condition as a pause double equal to nums dot length and return new long if tight double and use the condition and memo count and use the again if condition use because pause previous one previous two and Waviness memo count use the. So then next line is return new long as a memo count and memo sum, same value 3 of type as a pre1 pre2 and Waviness. Both of line are same, so please. And next is int limit and tight question mark nums dot character 8 pause so long count equal to 0 and long sum equal to 0. And next use the loop condition as use the for loop. So for loop use the as a digit less than equal to limit and digit plus plus, and now digit is condition equal to 0. So boolean use the next condition like next tight as a tight double double and type double equal to limit like this. So guys, so and next if condition use the previous to 10, and if condition use the if condition again as a previous less than greater than previous 2 and double and previous less than greater than double time digit. So and bracket close. So next is int next previous 2 and int next previous 1 as a previous 2 equal to previous 1 and previous 1 equal to digit. So use the if condition guys. Previous 1 double equal to 10 double and digit double equal to 0, and condition if condition use the next previous 1 equal to 10 and next previous 2 equal to 10. Same condition are both of use the them. Then next line is guys next line is used guys as a long res less as a DFS and POS pause plus 1, and next is next previous 1, then again next is next previous 2, then again next is next vanish, and again next tight and bracket close guys. So we are very simple guys. And next line is count plus equal to rest array 0 and sum plus equal to rest 1. Same not different type condition, but use the like because DFS condition guys. And next is tight condition and memo count pause previous 1 and array previous 1 array previous 2 and array vanish, and memo count and memo sum. We are both of line same but equal count to equal to count and sum to equal to sum value. So return what is return value? Return new long array and count comma sum as a bracket in the bracket. So guys so this is the final return, and final return so guys code is complete. And so guys code is complete, and code the save and submit the code. So we will wait guys. And low, so this code is incorrect guys. I think I found the reason behind this error. Like in this code we create the DP array like this: memo count the new long n plus 1 and 11 to use the, I think, because the last dimension has a size of 2, which means only index 0 and 1 are valid. So guys, this line changed the to quickly fix, and the return time error I changed as a memo count and memo sum, because in this line same, and to change the 2020. So guys, change in this line, and since a long number can have a most 90 digit, the maximum Waviness value of will remaining within this range, and this remove the runtime error. The solution runs successfully. However, keep the mind, and that is the only temporary fix, and DP state is still not optimal as our LeetCode analysis suggest, guys. So guys, I think so this fix solved the runtime error, and but solution may still face performance issues, guys, and such as delay or wrong answer some test cases. So for the after changing these two lines and runtime the error the gone, and the code executive and side so sorry guys, and then let me check out. So guys, code is complete, and save the code and submit the code, and we will wait, guys. So guys, code is correct now and complete strict 53 days. So thank you so much, guys, and click the cross button. So case 1 and case 2 and case 3, so and final case 4. So guys, code is complete, and time complexity has a omega 10 to the power 18 impossible, because without a DP digit DP only few thousand state is ultimately. So guys, so this pattern, guys, appear again in hard interview, and this was LeetCode 3753 total Waviness of number in range second, and a fantastic hard problem. The reached digit DP memorization range query trick and tight flanks stage design. So, and these concepts appear in many advanced coding interview, the completely programming concept. And if this explanation helped you guys, if like this video, comment your approach and subscribe to CodeByTushu channel and share with your coding friends. So guys, I will see you the next video, LeetCode daily solution, and until then keep learning, keep coding and keep growing. Thank you so much, guys.